Hello, hello. Good day. Good day, everyone. I hope your week was good this week. On the market side, I would say it was pretty a balanced market. We did not really do much, although we did not go above last week. So it is not so great, but it's okay, right? So before we begin, let us see first. I would like to show you what's the US stock market doing right now. Take a look at this. Now, this actually, I'm using a charting platform called Ninja Trader, and this is the to chart the futures market. So basically, take a look at this, guys. All right. So ever since our low here in March, right, the big drop, we were thinking that everything is gonna go down, right? Okay. Then what happened to the market? It went up. And now, take a look at this. Look at that. That's pretty bullish. Look at that. It tried to do it again. Now take a look at this particular area. So basically this was a range like the one that I told you guys. Break out, go back down, test if there are more sellers here. Oops, no more. All buyers. Tried again once, could not even reach. That's why the market was as full steam ahead. So this looks like this. And let's change this color here. Oops. That was kind of mistake there. Actually, where's that? Anyway, but this area here, now if we put this one, right? This exact box, right? This exact box, let's make this one bigger. Oops. That exact box, place it over here. It's almost exactly to the tick the same. Look at that, guys. The only difference is that this one again tried to go down. Now, if the market, let's get this thing off. If the market cannot go back down to this area, then you know he wants to break the all-time high, which is there. And if you take a look at this, this is what you call our, of course, sellers tried to push down, tried again, but it is actually creating a support to the upside. So this may likely go above this area here for the US market. Now, let's take a look at our side here. Now, for the Philippine stock market, which is quite different from the US, although we are really on a range, but this is what I feel. We have a strong uptrend pushing up. Then this is where the bears tried to bring it down, could not bring it down. We should be having, if measured move, around this area back here. Unfortunately, this is what happened. We were trying to follow this area, then we stopped like a little bit more than half of the way. And take a look at this, guys. Down. So we are actually still in this range. We're trying to break out, right? Although we're really having a hard time in this particular market. So let's make this one bigger, right? Right. So we are really trying hard here, all right? Now, if we take this one, so to have a better color here, from this zone here, which is, we know that, okay, the way I compute this is buyers trying to push up, sellers try to push down. Couldn't. Now if you take a look at this one, this is the price, this is how many bars from here to here, and this is how many bars, 11, from here to here, and then this is the swing price. That's the computation. See, 5691, 5695, it could not go drop down, that's why it went up, and now we're still stuck in this range. And today, basically last Thursday, if we make this one very big, I was kind of worried here, but we tried to touch the territories of the buyers, and what happened? This particular candle was, the low was 5829. The low of this candle is, oops, sorry about that, 5825. See, so just a few ticks and now we're up. Now if we take a look at the 5 minutes here, this is the zone that we should be on Monday, as long as we do not go back here. Okay, oops, do you remember this particular zone that we have discussed a while ago? This particular zone here, the one that it shake down those sellers. Now the sellers came back to push down. Now the bulls will try to shake them out. Now I feel the market is around here. This may have a chance still, because of the market open there, drop down, although we closed there, but I feel there's still more pressure. I feel that when the market opens on Monday, they may want to try here, hoping that this area will be a support to go upside. That's what I would love to do. That's for this market. I hope that we don't revisit this 5825. Then we are straight to 6,000. And then from there, we could go up, up, up. And maybe, right, maybe when we are lucky, if we make this one smaller, with this particular strong move, we may be able to go up again to this area near 7,000. But our goal is above here, right? The measured move over here. So we could reach this particular area. Alright, so that's that market. The second market, our beloved DTO. So let's go to the DTO chart. Wow, still good. Look at that, guys. Now this was my, take a look at this. So DTO right now is really pretty strong to the upside. Still very powerful, right? Very, very powerful there. Now I did note a certain number here, which is pretty, you remember this area 617. This particular number 617 is giving traders a little bit of a issue there. Take a look at it again. So if we take a look at the 5 minutes to be more accurate, to see what happened, DTO, and then you put 617. Make this one bigger. Do you remember this, guys? That DTO just push up, went down, nobody's there, boom, up. It went down, like that, try to go down. Now it has not reached this level yet, so buyers are really pushing the market to go up, right? And if you take a look at this, if you draw this, they may be slowly pushing these seller out of 617 to go back to retest the high. Now if you go to the dailies, it makes sense, right? They may on Monday they may try to use this as the support because it's still very steep, to revisit this area here, which is around 8 peso. Now, is there another resistance over there? We can see. So far it's clear the next resistance will be around 862. So it's still very pretty bullish in this particular stock. Now the next one is PGOLD, pure gold. Now pure gold, on the other hand, okay, this is what I feel and what was the reason why I started to invest in this company. Now thing is like this, although the market was pretty strong to the downside, I feel it was trying to create a box between two of these, right? Now it went down here, buyers tried to push up, tried again the second time, and they failed. That's why this is very strong drop. Now why is these two arrows here? Let's make this one bigger. These two arrows here are what you call, again, I like to have measured moves twice, so which means that this particular stock may not be finished, right? The buyers, I hope the buyers are finished. I mean the hope buyers will start buying, but for me I think the sellers are not yet done. So my feeling on next week, this might go here, retest this area here, let's see what happens on its reaction, then it may want to fall back again down to retest and where all the buyers started to buy this stock last July, right? So that's my feeling for this market. So this market, I would not touch it yet because there's really no sign of bullishness yet. So if you take a look at the 5-minute quick, PGOLD, today was kind of like a range, but I would say not much to really say. Still like that. Although the thing that I don't like it started here, went down, and just like that. So right. So the next stock is JFC. So let's go back. Now for JFC, right? Now let's take a look. Let's draw this. Now JFC could be trying to go up here. Now from this bottom here and this top, you got a second entry. So first try down, could not make it. Second down right now, first up. So basically JFC were kind of stuck between these two areas. Now if we ever move up, right, I would love to see it reach straight, or it may want to go up, test this particular area where a lot of sellers started to push down the market. Make sure that these becomes, once these people becomes buyers, right, easy go up to the next level of support. So that's what we hope for these particular traders here. to become buyers, to join the crowd in order for this to go up, right? And if you do a measured move here, yep, that will be nice for JFC. Right there. That will be nice. See, it hits here, goes down here, hits here, maybe goes down this area. Then you may want to check this out. Retest, go back up. That's what I would love to see for JFC. Okay, so what's the next one? Is one of our best stocks of one of the most bullish stock aside from Dito is Metro Bank. Now Metro Bank, the buyers almost reached their target. Oh, sorry about that. Push the wrong button. Yes. And if you take a look closely here, what's the highest was 40, and today they just reached 39.90, just 10 cents, guys. 10 cents. Woo! Woo! So I would say if we take a look at, so basically it started their move since September, and it's still one way. This is what you call all the way bulls, all the way. Now would they reach their target? I think so. They can easily reach their target, maybe above 40 even. Take a look at this. Imagine that, eh? That's pretty. Now this is the 5-minute chart, right? Now look at that, guys. Near the closing, look at that candle, and it closed above there. Woo! That is some bullishness there, but we'll see on Monday. I hope that MBT can really reach 40 and above and then start, or even higher, but that's what I think. So BDO, our friendly bank, who will find ways. Let's see. Now for BDO, I was thinking we were supposed to go up here, but today we just basically sideways for BDO, right? BDO sideways. Now take a look at this. So if we start our count here, first entry, second, so that's why this particular candle made sense, right? So basically what happened is second entry here, then the market went up, tested this zone, went down again. Now this particular area again became a support, this particular candle. So now we have tested this area. Now we know there are buyers around this area. We tested it again, so let's hope. Now we may have a chance to go down here, but I hope this time we could go up, right? Because why would I say that? If we go, oh, sorry about that. Let's redo it again. Basically what happened was, what I feel was, the market here went up, tried, second entry was this one, but it pushed down a bit but could not break this one, so this became a very strong support, this area here, and this one became a very strong resistance, this area here. So right now we are really testing these buyers up here. Now if we're able to take a look at this MBT, BDO, let's what happened here. Let's make this one. So if we don't go back to this, if we don't revisit this area anymore, then we have a better chance. But I feel if you take a look at this, this still has some bearish momentum. So maybe on Monday we may do this. On Monday, go back there, then go back down, and I hope buyers comes in to bring this out, touch this area, and go up. That will be a very nice. That will be nice, right? But I feel so. Or we could change, go up here, or we could have a different outcome. We may break here, hold, make this one as a support, then go up. That's even better, right? Which is around this area, right? Good. All right. So that's for BDO, and our last stock of the day would be HLCM. Now for HLCM, it is still looking to the downside. This still has a very strong feeling to the downside. Even that second entry looks like it, right? So I would say this still has a bigger chance to go down, which I hope they won't pass this area here. But yeah, rather than that's what I have a strong feeling here. I hope the market can change, but it has to break these sellers here, especially at this level of 584. Now, if they have a very strong day on Monday, break out, retest, nobody's there, go up. Now that's looking good. Now that will be a much better, but for now there's still more to the downside. If we take a look at the 5 minutes, take a look at that, guys. Still more to the downside, right? All right, so basically today I also added some links to the charts, to my new chart. So at least if you want to download it, please feel free to download these charts. And thank you very much, and see you guys next week for more DC Trader analyzing the stock. Good day and have a nice weekend.